Hi, in today's lesson, you're going to learn how to use the phrase about to in English. It's simple and super useful. So firstly, what does about to mean? We use about to when something will happen very soon, in the immediate future. For example, I'm about to eat dinner. This means dinner will start very soon. Or she's about to leave. It means she'll leave any minute now. So what's the structure? The structure is the subject plus be, so that could be am, is, are, was, or were, and about to, and the verb. In the present, we'd say, I'm about to call my friend. In the past, we would say, we were about to start when the phone rang. So here are some common ways we use about to. In everyday life, you might say, I'm about to go to bed. Or warnings, watch out, that glass is about to fall. Or interruptions in the past. I was about to tell you the secret, but you walked away. Here's what not to do. We don't use about to with long-term future plans. It would be wrong to say, I'm about to graduate next year. Instead, you'd use I'm going to. So I'm going to graduate next year. So now it's your turn. Finish this sentence in the comments. I'm about to what? So that's it for today. You're about to master the phrase about to. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more quick English lessons. Bye bye for now.